In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best back extension machine on Amazon in 2026. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best back extension machine on Amazon. Number 1, Sunny Health and Fitness Foldable Hyperextension Roman Chair, Adjustable Back Extension Bench for Core, Abs and Glute Workouts, Heavy-Duty Home Gym Equipment. Full core workout effectively targets lower back, abs, and glutes with multiple exercises. Adjustable settings customize height and incline for different fitness levels. Foldable design easily folds for convenient storage in small spaces. Sturdy steel frame durable construction ensures stability in long-term use. Comfortable padding high-density foam supports your body during workouts. Safe and secure non-slip foot pads provide added stability and control. Enhance your home workout routine with the Sunny Health and Fitness Foldable Hyperextension Roman Chair. A versatile bench designed to strengthen your core, lower back, and glutes. Ideal for exercises like back extensions, sit-ups, and core training, this equipment helps you build strength and improve posture. Built with a heavy-duty steel frame, it delivers excellent stability for safe and effective workouts. The adjustable height and incline levels allow you to tailor your training intensity, making it suitable for both beginners and advanced users. Its foldable space-saving design makes it perfect for home use, while the comfortable foam padding and secure foot holders ensure a smooth and supported workout experience. A reliable and compact addition to any home gym setup. Number 2, Houbos Hyper Back Extension Roman Chair, Multifunctional Adjustable Bench for Full Body Workout, Sit-Up, Decline and Flat Bench, Heavy-Duty Home Gym Equipment. All-in-one workout bench. Perform back extensions, sit-ups, decline presses, and flat bench exercises in one machine. Fully adjustable design easily switch between incline, decline, and flat positions for versatile training. Heavy-duty frame built with strong steel construction for stability and durability. Ergonomic comfort. Thick padded cushions provide support during intense workouts. Secure and stable use. Anti-slip foot holders and sturdy base ensure safe performance. Space-efficient design ideal for home gyms, offering multiple functions without needing extra equipment. Take your home fitness to the next level with the Houbos Hyper Back Extension Roman Chair, a multifunctional workout bench designed for total body training. This all-in-one equipment allows you to perform a wide range of exercises including back extensions, sit-ups, decline workouts, and flat bench routines, making it perfect for building strength, endurance, and core stability. Constructed with a heavy-duty steel frame, this bench offers excellent support and durability for daily use. The fully adjustable design lets you customize angles and positions to match your workout needs, whether you're a beginner or an advanced fitness enthusiast. Designed for comfort and safety, it features high-density foam padding and non-slip foot supports to keep you stable during every movement. Compact and versatile, this bench is an excellent addition to any home gym setup, helping you achieve full-body fitness with ease. Number 3, Marcy MWM988 Multifunction Steel Home Gym, 150 pounds weight stack machine, full body workout system with press arm, lat bar and leg developer. Full body workout system train chest, back, arms, shoulders, and legs with multiple workout stations in one machine. 150 lb weight stack. Adjustable resistance with selector pin for smooth and safe strength training. Heavy duty steel frame built with durable 14-gauge steel for long-lasting stability. Dual function press arms perform chest press and butterfly exercises with adjustable motion. Multi-station design includes lat pull-down, preacher curl pad, leg developer, and pulley system for versatile workouts. Compact home gym solution. Space-efficient design fits most home setups while replacing multiple machines. Upgrade your fitness routine with the Marcy MWM988 Multifunction Home Gym, an all-in-one strength training system designed to deliver gym-quality workouts at home. Featuring a 150 pounds vinyl-coated weight stack, this machine allows you to easily adjust resistance levels using a selector pin, making it ideal for beginners and intermediate users. Built with a heavy-duty steel frame, the MWM988 ensures stability and durability during intense workouts. Its multi-station design includes a chest press/butterfly arm, lat pull-down bar, preacher curl pad, and leg developer, allowing you to target your entire body with over 30+ exercises. The compact footprint makes it perfect for home gyms, while the guided motion system provides safer, more controlled movements, especially for solo training. Whether you're building Number 4, Speediance Gym Monster Smart Home Gym All-in-One Multifunctional Strength Training Machine with Digital Resistance, Smith Machine, power cage and cable system for full body workouts. Smart digital resistance advanced motor-powered resistance system replaces traditional weights for smooth, quiet workouts. All-in-one gym system combines Smith machine, power cage, squat rack, and cable machine in one compact unit. Interactive training built-in screen with guided workouts, performance tracking, and personalized fitness programs. Adjustable resistance levels easily control resistance for beginners to advanced strength training. Space-saving design compact footprint delivers a full gym experience without bulky equipment. Enhanced safety features digital safety controls and instant stop system for secure solo workouts. Full body training ideal for squats, deadlifts, chest press, rows, lat pull-downs, and more. Transform your home workouts with the Speediance Gym Monster Smart Home Gym, a next-generation fitness machine designed to deliver a complete gym experience using cutting-edge technology. This all-in-one system combines a Smith machine, power cage, squat rack, and cable machine, allowing you to perform a wide range of strength training exercises in one compact setup. Unlike traditional weight systems, the Gym Monster features smart digital resistance, offering smoother, quieter, and more precise control over your workouts. The integrated touchscreen display provides guided training sessions, tracks your progress, and helps you stay motivated with interactive programs built for convenience and safety. This machine includes advanced safety features, making it perfect for solo training at home. Its space-saving design makes it ideal for modern living spaces while still delivering professional-level performance. Whether you're building muscle, improving strength, or staying fit, the Speediance Gym Monster offers a powerful, intelligent, and efficient way to achieve your fitness goals. Number 5. Titan Fitness Roman Chair Back Extension Machine. Adjustable hyperextension bench with non-slip footplate and durable padding. Heavy-duty home gym equipment. Targeted back and core training. Strengthen lower back, abs, and glutes with effective hyperextensions. Adjustable height settings customize the bench to fit different body sizes and workout needs. Heavy-duty construction. Strong steel frame ensures stability and long-lasting durability. Soft and durable padding. High-quality cushioning provides comfort during intense workouts. Non-slip footplate. Secure grip keeps you stable and safe while exercising. Compact home gym design. Space-efficient equipment ideal for home fitness setups. Build a stronger core and improve your posture with the Titan Fitness Roman Chair Back Extension Machine, designed for effective lower back, glute, and abdominal training. This adjustable hyperextension bench allows you to perform a variety of exercises, including back extensions, sit-ups, and core workouts, making it a versatile addition to any home gym. Constructed with a heavy-duty steel frame, this machine offers excellent stability for safe and controlled movement.